Most people think having diabetes means saying goodbye to alcohol. But what if I told you that people with diabetes can still raise a glass without worry? Sounds crazy, right? But yes, alcohol can still have a place in your life, as long as you know how to pick the right kind. Trust me, you're not alone in this. In today's video, we're diving into the 8 best alcoholic drinks for people with diabetes. Parties, wine, and joyful laughter, don't let diabetes take these moments away from you. Plus, stick around until the end of the video for some creative cocktail tips featuring these drinks that you definitely don't want to miss. Now, let's jump right in. But first, a word of caution. Alcohol can be either an exciting companion or a health-wrecking troublemaker for people with diabetes. Drinking alcohol is like a double-edged sword, tempting yet risky. For those with diabetes, just one drink can either spike or crash your blood sugar levels, depending on the type of beverage and how you consume it. So, how can you enjoy it safely? First, never drink on an empty stomach. Doing so is like taking your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. A meal rich in fiber and protein acts as a shield, minimizing the risk of sudden hypoglycemia. On the flip side, drinking alcohol on an empty stomach can lead to unexpected blood sugar crashes, making it hard to tell the difference between being drunk and experiencing dangerous symptoms. Next, moderation is key. This is where the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services 2020 to 2025 guidelines come in handy. Women should stick to 1 drink per day, and men to 2 drinks per day. And let's be clear, 1 drink does not mean an entire bottle. Don't let the generosity of your bartender fool you. Moreover, keep in mind that overdrinking doesn't just harm your liver. It also increases the risk of severe complications like high blood pressure, nerve damage, and cardiovascular diseases, issues that people with diabetes already contend with daily. Finally, choosing the right drink is absolutely crucial. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 best alcoholic drinks for people with diabetes and discover how to toast to life while keeping your health in check. Number 1, light beer, the gentle sunshine of parties. What makes light beer stand out as a great choice for people with diabetes? It's all about its impressively low carbohydrate content. On average, each bottle of light beer contains just 2 to 5 grams of carbs, significantly less than the 12 to 15 grams found in regular beer. This helps keep blood sugar levels in check, reducing the strain on your body while ensuring you don't miss out on the joy of sipping a cold one. Not only that, but light beer also contains a small amount of polyphenol, antioxidant compounds that help reduce inflammation and support heart health. With only about 90 to 110 calories per bottle, it's an excellent option for those looking to maintain their weight while enjoying life. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism even suggests that moderate consumption of light beer can improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing diabetes. Looking for a unique twist? Try making a beer lemon cooler. Mix light beer with fresh lemon juice, a touch of honey, and ice for a perfectly refreshing drink. Or get creative with a ginger beer twist. Add a few slices of fresh ginger and a splash of ginger syrup to your light beer for a subtly spicy and delightful flavor. If simplicity is your style, nothing beats enjoying an ice-cold bottle of light beer paired with snacks like salted roasted almonds, soft cheese, or a fresh salad. Cheers to health and happiness. Number 2, red wine, the secret lover of heart and health in every ruby drop. The secret to why red wine is a noteworthy choice for people with diabetes lies in resveratrol, the golden compound in red grape skins. Resveratrol not only enhances insulin sensitivity but also helps reduce inflammation and protect vascular health, 2 essential factors for people with diabetes. Additionally, red wine contains a variety of powerful antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect cells from free radicals and lower the risk of cardiovascular complications. A standard glass of red wine, about 150 milliliters, contains only 3 to 4 grams of carbs and 125 calories, just enough to let you enjoy it without disrupting the balance in your diet. Now, let's transform those familiar drops of red wine into a creative revolution. Try making a red wine spritzer by mixing red wine with soda water and a slice of fresh orange, perfect for hot summer days. Or, prepare a mulled wine by gently warming red wine with cinnamon sticks, star anise, and a few slices of fresh apple to create a cozy and relaxing winter drink. If you like something different, try a light sangria by adding a splash of orange juice, a few fresh fruit slices like apples and strawberries, and some ice, creating a light, refreshing cocktail while still preserving the signature flavor of the wine. For dessert lovers, red wine can also be the perfect ingredient for a reduced sugar sauce, pairing beautifully with fresh fruit or vanilla ice cream. Number 3, white wine, the pure sunshine of the wine world. With its light and refreshing taste, white wine feels like a gentle whisper of sea breezes. It offers a unique nutritional profile that sets it apart from its red wine counterpart. The carbohydrate content of white wine typically ranges from 2.5 to 4 grams per standard glass, 150 milliliters, much lower than some other types of wine. At the same time, it contains fewer calories, only around 120 calories per glass. What's more, white wine stands out for its beneficial compounds such as tartaric acid and catechins, which help improve digestion and support cholesterol reduction. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that white wine can boost the body's metabolism, a vital factor in maintaining overall health, especially for people with diabetes. Another delightful aspect of white wine is its diverse flavors and aromas, from the crisp acidity of green apples and juicy pears to the floral notes of orange blossoms and the sweetness of honey. Don't hesitate to embrace white wine. Try making a citrus white wine cooler by combining white wine with fresh lemon juice, a drizzle of honey, and ice for an instant burst of refreshment. Or, create a frozen white sangria by adding frozen fruit pieces like grapes, strawberries, and mangoes to white wine, both delicious and visually stunning. Number 4, champagne, the bubbly dance of the wine world. With brut or extra dry champagne, the perfect balance of flavor and health makes it an ideal choice. The secret lies in its significantly lower sugar content compared to other types of champagne. Brut typically contains just 1 to 2 grams of sugar per standard glass, 120 milliliters, while extra dry has slightly more, with 2 to 3 grams. This helps minimize its impact on blood sugar, allowing you to enjoy it worry-free. Champagne also stands out for its relatively low calorie count, around 90 to 120 calories per glass, much less than sweet wines or regular cocktails. Additionally, this sparkling drink is rich in polyphenol, which provide antioxidant benefits, support heart health, and enhance blood circulation. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, these compounds also improve endothelial cell function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications, a constant concern for those with diabetes. Want to savor champagne to its fullest? Try a champagne mojito. Mix brut champagne with a few fresh mint leaves, a splash of lime juice, and ice for a light and refreshing drink. Or, get creative with a berry champagne spritzer. Combine extra dry champagne with berry juice and a few fresh strawberries for a vibrant, fruity twist. Raise your glass of champagne, not just to celebrate, but as a reminder that enjoying life is an art. Number 5, spirits, the pure strength of bold and unmistakable flavor. Gin, rum, vodka, or whiskey, all are robust options, but surprisingly, they contain zero carbohydrates when enjoyed straight or mixed with unsweetened water. What does this mean for people with diabetes? Simply put, you can enjoy these beverages without worrying about spikes in blood sugar. Distilled spirits are processed to remove all sugars and impurities, leaving a clean and pure product. For instance, a standard shot of spirits, around 44 milliliters, contains only about 90 to 100 calories without adding any carbs, minimizing the risk of affecting blood sugar levels. Furthermore, studies have shown that moderate consumption of spirits can help reduce stress and improve blood circulation, two essential factors for maintaining overall health. However, remember that moderation is key, as overindulgence can lead to adverse effects. Let's mix some drinks. Try a light gin and tonic. Gin, sugar-free tonic water, a few sprigs of rosemary, and ice, perfect for a relaxing experience. For something unique, make a whiskey ginger cooler, whiskey, sugar-free ginger soda, and a few slices of fresh ginger for a warm yet refreshing sensation. Or go with a simple rum punch, rum, fresh coconut water, and ice, ideal for laid-back afternoons. Enjoy the purity and versatility of spirits responsibly, making every sip a moment of indulgence and relaxation. Number 6. Bloody Mary, the red blood cocktail full of mysterious allure, both bold and captivating. The Bloody Mary is loved for its unique combination of vodka, tomato juice, and a range of distinctive spices such as Worcestershire sauce, celery salt, and a few drops of spicy Tabasco. What makes it an ideal choice for people with diabetes is its low carbohydrate content. Natural tomato juice contains about 4 to 5 grams of carbs per glass, 150 milliliters, but in return, it offers a large amount of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect heart health and reduce inflammation. In particular, the spices in a Bloody Mary provide additional health benefits. For example, celery salt helps reduce swelling and aids digestion, while cayenne pepper and Tabasco stimulate blood circulation and boost metabolism. With vodka, a carb-free spirit, the Bloody Mary becomes one of the smartest cocktail choices for those managing their blood sugar. Want to make your Bloody Mary even more unique? Try adding a splash of lemon juice or cucumber juice for an extra refreshing twist. Or, get creative with a green Bloody Mary, replace the tomato juice with green vegetable juices like kale and cucumber, along with a little fresh mint to create a healthier, more distinctive version. As for garnish, get creative with fresh celery, a cheese stick, a few olives, or even a slice of bacon to turn your Bloody Mary into a true work of art. Number 7. Martini Cocktail, the queen of elegance in the cocktail world. The martini, especially the dry martini, is one of the ideal cocktails for people with diabetes. With a mix of gin or vodka and a touch of dry vermouth, the martini contains almost no carbohydrates. A standard glass, about 90 milliliters, offers only 120 to 140 calories, making it perfect for enjoying without raising blood sugar levels. The distinctive flavor of a martini comes from the boldness of the alcohol combined with the delicate, fragrant notes of vermouth. These ingredients not only create the perfect balance but also help reduce stress and improve mood, important factors in maintaining overall health. The martini is also a canvas for creativity. Try a dirty martini by adding a bit of olive brine for a rich, bold flavor with personality. Or enjoy a cucumber martini, replace the vermouth with fresh cucumber juice, and add a slice of lemon for a light, refreshing version. Don't forget the garnish. An olive or thin lemon peel not only adds to the elegance but also enhances the subtle flavors. For a playful twist, try a lemon twist martini, add a few drops of lemon juice and garnish with a twist of lemon peel to create a cocktail that's both mildly tart and refreshing. Number 8. Vodka Soda, the crystal clear cocktail reflecting the modern lifestyle. Vodka soda is not just a drink, it's a symbol of the perfect balance between refreshment and mindfulness. With pure vodka, distilled multiple times, combined with sugar-free soda water and a fresh slice of lemon, this cocktail offers a gentle flavor that is never boring. A standard vodka soda, 150 milliliters, contains only about 90 to 100 calories. Vodka, a spirit distilled multiple times, is completely carb-free due to the process of removing impurities and sugars during production. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that consuming carb-free spirits in moderation can help improve insulin sensitivity, an important factor in managing blood sugar. What makes vodka soda stand out is its versatility without compromising simplicity. You can refresh this drink by adding a bit of grated lemon peel or lightly crushed mint leaves for an extra refreshing aroma. If you enjoy natural fruity flavors, try adding a few slices of orange, watermelon, or some frozen strawberries to the glass. This twist not only looks beautiful but also keeps your health in check. Wow! Who would have thought that people with diabetes could step into the colorful world of alcohol with such confidence and safety? Today, we've explored 8 types of alcohol that not only offer the joy of indulgence but also blend perfectly with a healthy lifestyle. From the elegance of champagne brut, the warm embrace of red wine, to the freshness of vodka soda, each has its own story and offers surprising benefits when consumed correctly. But this is just the beginning. Are you curious about how to incorporate these drinks into your daily meals without disrupting your nutrition plan? Or want to discover more creative cocktail tips to enhance your drinking experience? Stay tuned because in the next videos, I'll reveal all those secrets. And if you have a favorite drink from today's list, leave a comment below. I can't wait to hear about your experiences.